Imagine opening your favorite apps in 2026 and realizing they have quietly turned into smart AI teammates. Gmail no longer just shows a list of messages, but gives you an AI inbox that summarizes your entire day, drafts replies in your own style, searches your history like a personal memory, and even answers questions such as, "Who was the plumber who quoted my bathroom last year?" without you remembering a single detail. Inside Google Sheets, you simply type equals AI and instantly generate analyses, copy, or full workflows at scale, while tools like ChatGPT gain deep healthcare connectors that let people safely combine their medical records with powerful models to get clearer explanations, better questions to ask doctors, and ongoing health guidance. Parallel to this mainstream integration, a new underground layer of bleeding-edge AI tools is exploding. Coding agents like Claude Code, originally built for developers in the command line, are being hacked together by power users to run entire marketing campaigns, manage creative projects, and even grow tomato plants by controlling lights, heating mats, humidity, and irrigation in real time, proving how far autonomous agents can go when given access to the physical world. Tech giants are watching these wild experiments closely, cherry-picking the most useful behaviors and productizing them inside polished consumer apps, while companies like Meta buy agentic platforms such as Manus AI to accelerate their own all-in-one AI assistants that browse, code, research, and automate on a user's behalf. At the same time, physical AI finally steps out of sci-fi and onto the desk and into the home. OpenAI prepares its first wearable device. Amazon ships Alexa Plus as a far smarter home hub that can control blinds, lights, and appliances. CES showcases Project Ava from Razer, a holographic anime-style AI companion powered by XAI, and startups unveil AI mini PCs, NAS servers for running local models, and even AI pet companions designed for people who love animals but cannot own one full-time. All of this progress brings a deeper cultural tension. When AI can write our emails, talk to us like a partner, and keep us company as a virtual pet, it becomes tempting to outsource more and more of our emotional and social labor to machines. But something subtle and important is lost: our sense of effort, vulnerability, and genuine human presence. That is why the creator predicts a strong counter-movement toward authenticity, where slower, more personal formats like long-form YouTube conversations, honest opinions, and imperfect human stories become more valuable than ever. Because in a world full of frictionless AI summaries, narrators, and agents, real human connection, real voices, and real flaws will feel rare, precious, and worth seeking out.